So one of my family's favorite things, like favorite sweet treats, is definitely an angel food cake. We love it because it's not too sweet. It's definitely like on the light, airy side. It's perfect like with some tea. But one of our most hated things is cutting it. And we love to give it in like those perfect little slices. And especially like everyone in my family, we have some diabetics. We have some people who are always watching everything. So we want to keep it in like pre-portion sizes. And we want it like cut in like very manageable sizes. So that's why I got this cutter. This was actually gifted to me from the brand, but as always I would give my honest review. So what this is this actually gives you 10 perfectly portioned slices, and on the other side is actually 12, and it's perfectly labeled. If you could see, it says 12 here and 10 here. So I'm going to show you how it works. We'll do it on each one, and at the end we will have some leftovers, so me and my husband will have some cake with our tea. So we'll do the 12. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it on and you're going to try to find the center, and then you're just going to give it a little press, and then you're going to take it out. And as you can see, I could see perfectly the marks of where to cut. And then I'm going to take my knife. Please excuse, I'm using a bread knife. And I can see perfectly where to cut. So even too, this is even easier if you want to even cut smaller too. This kind of gives you a good range too. If you want to cut these even smaller, you can give it a good range of how to cut it. So I'll show you to the 10. So again, you want to find the center. You just want to have the 10 down. And you're going to press. And you're going to lift. And then it gives you a perfect guide on where to cut. So if you are like me and you're always looking for something to help you portion, and if you like struggle with cake cutting, like I know so many people do. I wish they make this in a full size for a pizza, because we struggle with cutting that too. This gives you like the perfect portion slice. This is what you need.